YouTube Shorts are the hottest trend right now, and everyone seems to be racking up millions of views, so why not you? What if I told you there's a game-changing secret that can completely transform how you create content? Meet InVideo AI, the tool that takes the heavy lifting off your shoulders and puts your creativity front and center. Whether you're just starting out or a seasoned pro, today I'm going to show you how to create stunning, professional quality YouTube Shorts effortlessly, right from your phone. Take a quick look at this video.
One day in 1941 turned America from isolationist to a world power. Before Pearl Harbor, America kept to itself. But Japan's surprise attack on December 7, 1941, forced the US into World War II. Overnight, America went from neutral to a crucial player. This shift led to pivotal Allied victories and changed the course of history. From isolation to intervention, it all started with Pearl Harbor.
No expensive gear, no hours spent editing, and no more creative burnout. In this video, I'll walk you through a step-by-step process, share powerful tips to make your shorts go viral, and show you how to grow your audience faster than ever before. Ready to change the game? Grab your phone, stay tuned, and let's get started. Why YouTube Shorts are game-changing. Massive reach. Over 2 billion logged-in users watch YouTube monthly, with Shorts being a key driver in this expansive growth. The numbers are staggering. 50 billion Shorts views per day globally. This format has become a primary content consumption method for millions, offering creators an unparalleled opportunity to reach new audiences. Speed and accessibility. With Shorts, you can quickly create, share, and receive feedback. Unlike traditional long-form videos, which require more time and effort to produce, Shorts allow for rapid content creation and iteration. This accessibility democratizes content creation, letting everyone, from aspiring creators to established ones, easily tap into the platform's massive user base. Versatility. Shorts are incredibly versatile. They can serve various purposes, educating your audience, showcasing personal moments, sharing quick tips, or even just having fun. The beauty of Shorts lies in their brevity, forcing you to convey your message clearly and engagingly within a short time frame. Examples of creators who leverage Shorts to catapult their channels. Think Mr. Beast, Zoella, or fitness influencers like Chloe Ting. These creators understand the power of short-form content and use it to engage their audience effectively. For instance, Mr. Beast used Shorts to highlight his charitable acts and quickly grew his subscriber base. Challenges creators face with regular posting, finding the time, generating fresh ideas, and overcoming creative blocks. Traditional editing tools often add to this burden, requiring hours to create even a short video. InVideo AI addresses these challenges by automating much of the content creation process, making it possible for creators to stay consistent without compromising quality. What is InVideo AI and how it works? That it's a versatile tool designed for creators, offering a wide range of features to simplify video creation. It's not just another video editor, it's an all-in-one solution for short-form content. With InVideo AI, you can transform raw footage into a polished short within minutes, making it an ideal tool for creators on the go. I have 50% discount for all tools in the description. Check it out to get a discount on this amazing tool. InVideo offers a library of templates tailored specifically for YouTube Shorts. These templates are designed to save time and ensure your videos are visually appealing and on brand. AI-driven text-to-speech. This feature is a game changer. It allows you to add voiceovers to your shorts without recording your own voice, making the process quicker and more efficient. Royalty-free music. Enhance your shorts with music that fits the mood, whether upbeat for a travel video or calming for an informational piece. Quick exporting. Export your video in YouTube-friendly formats with just a few clicks. This is crucial for keeping up with YouTube's algorithm and maintaining a regular posting schedule. How to set up your account. Creating an account on InVideo while highlighting the different pricing plans, free versus premium. Even with the free plan, stunning shorts can be created. Access to basic features includes free templates, AI-powered text-to-speech, and downloading videos in high resolution. Who has time to sit through a 10-minute tutorial on how to trim a clip? Can be used to introduce InVideo AI as a tool designed for modern content creators. Creating a short video with InVideo AI. Open InVideo AI and select a template that fits the theme of your video. Choose one that aligns with your idea, like a top 5 fun facts template, and quickly customize it to make it ready for publishing. Edit the text and colors to match your personal brand. Adjust animations and add your unique touches to ensure your videos stay consistent with your style. Save your customizations for future use, especially if you plan to create similar content regularly. Replace placeholder text with your own content and reformat it as needed. Use bold fonts and vibrant colors, and add animations to bring energy and movement to your video. Include a funny statement or personal touch to make it more engaging. Add a voiceover using the text-to-speech feature. Copy your script, select the right voice, and adjust the speed or pitch to make it sound natural and appealing. Select background music from InVideo's library and adjust the volume to balance it with the video. Pick tracks that reflect the mood you want to convey, whether it's upbeat or calming. Export your video in high resolution and save it in a format optimized for YouTube. Add a title, description, and hashtags to boost its visibility in search results. Use tools to find the right keywords and hashtags to improve your video's reach. Tips to make your short videos go viral. Start your video with a catchy sentence or an eye-catching image within the first 3 seconds to instantly grab viewers' attention. Use examples like shocking statistics, surprising facts, or bold questions to immediately engage viewers. Ask viewers to come up with their own ideas for video intros and share them in the comments to boost interaction. Keep it concise. Focus on one main idea in the video to avoid confusing your audience and present your story in a clear and concise way. Editing tips. Remove unnecessary parts or speed up slow segments to keep the video short and engaging. Add funny clips to show what to avoid, such as unnecessarily stretching a 60-second video. You've got millions of views. What's next? How can you start earning? Shorts Fund and ad revenue. Explain how YouTube rewards creators. First, the YouTube Shorts Fund. Think of it like a tip jar, but instead of coins, you get direct cash from YouTube. Pro tip, make sure you are in eligible countries and create content that adheres to the fund's guidelines to claim your share of the revenue. Brand deals and sponsorships. Discuss how your large audience can attract sponsors. When you have a big audience, your channel becomes a marketing hotspot. Companies watch closely, and if your audience matches their target market, you might land lucrative sponsorship deals. Pro tip, use short videos to build credibility and showcase your ability to capture attention. The more views you get, the more attractive your channel becomes to advertisers. Explain how short videos can be used to drive traffic to long-form content or other platforms. Short videos aren't just for fun. They're a powerful tool to direct viewers to your long-form content or even your website. Pro tip, include links to your long videos in the short video descriptions. YouTube loves it when viewers follow a chain of videos, increasing your channel's overall watch time. Now that you've seen how easy it is to create short videos using InVideo AI, it's time to get started. Click the link in the description and try it for free. Start making short videos that go viral today. Remember, consistency is key, and InVideo AI makes it super easy without staying up all night editing. Whether you're doing it for fun, growing your channel, or making money, this is the tool that will help you succeed fast. Pro tip, don't just watch. Start creating. Click the link, get started, and soon you'll be the next YouTube star. And if you're serious about growing your channel, don't forget to subscribe for more tutorials, tips, and tools to make your content creation journey a huge success. Share your experience with InVideo AI in the comments. I can't wait to hear your success stories and see your first viral short video.